guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Swede, and I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers, and that means a lot to me. And today's topic is a question I got on Twitter. One of my followers has asked me if I had got a leaflet, and I said no, I haven't. I will probably get it next week, and this leaflet has the title If Crisis or War Comes, and they will begin to distribute this leaflet this week, but it doesn't have, come up here yet, not to my city anyway. So that will be probably next week. I will have that leaflet. And this leaflet is something the government has ordered to print and distribute. We had something similar many years ago, and then they stopped to print it and distribute it. I believe it was 1980, I believe it was. And in this leaflet there is a section called Home Preparedness Tips. And that is an eclectic list of some of the key items. It says every household should have access to. Food that has a long shelf life and things like that. And it is it says on how you will act at terrorist attacks, and a lot of, and how the people should act in wartime. It is, and I got a link from my follower on Twitter, and it says BBC News, and the title of the article is Sweden sends out leaflets on how to prepare for war. That is the headline. And I will put this link to this article in my description box. And the article contains also 3 links. And these 3 links is the first one is Swedish security chief warning on fake news. And I will put that link to that page in my description box. And the second link is how Sweden became an exporter of Jihad. And I will put that link in the description box as well. And the third one, the leaflet, which is entitled "If Crisis or War Comes," has been distributed. I will put that, that is a PDF, so I put the PDF link on in the description box as well. And when I get the leaflet, I will make another video on that leaflet, so I will also give my opinion on what I think about this leaflet. And I will make a video as soon as I get that one. And so that will be, I will read that first and go through it, and then I make my video and I give you my opinion about it. Okay? And I want to make a shout out as well. Now let's see if I remember the channel name correct. The Young Adventurer. That is an awesome channel, and she is 14 years old. She has an awesome content, and she's full of life and everything is just wonderful with her channel. So please visit her channel and subscribe and thumbs up and comment, and don't forget to ring that little bell either, so you get notified when she upload new video. And I think I'm gonna jump off here now, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up and comment, and don't forget to ring that little bell so you get notified when I put up some new videos. Okay? Oh, and I will also put in my description box my PayPal me link as well, if you wanna donate some to my channel. Okay, I guess that's all I had for now and for the moment. So until the next one, Shadow Scout Swede out. Long live the king, strength and honor.